Hey, what's up guys, this is Saman here from Expert Gadgets, and today I have something special. It's a $600 earphone, and it's called the Campfire Audio Polaris. So without any further ado, let's get this started. Just taking a brief look at the box it comes in, it doesn't feel like you've made a good investment buying this earphone. Opening it up, you get a leather box and some silicone and foam ear tips, an earphone cleaner, a Campfire Audio badge, and some papers. And inside the leather box, which is covered in soft wool-like material, you will find the earphone. The way this earphone looks is simply amazing, and when you listen to some music, you will finally know that you have made a great investment buying this earphone. The Polaris comes with a copper Litz cable. This is a very lightweight and comfortable cable to work with, as the cable stays pleasantly memory and tangle free. And tone-wise, this cable provides a very smooth sound signature. The design on this earphone is a very subjective matter. Some might like it and some might not. It has a very angular design with 3 bolts you can see. And some may not like this design, but I really do admire it. As for the comfort, the angular design may hurt people with small ears. And the earphones are also on the heavier side, so it does start to get a little uncomfortable after long periods of use. Coming to the drivers, this earphone uses a single 8.5mm dynamic driver and a balanced armature which is combined in a single crossover design. The 2 drivers are configured to complement each other, with the dynamic driver responsible for low and mid frequencies, while the balanced armature takes care of all the high frequencies. The design of the Polaris also features a new innovation to the dynamic driver, called the Polarity Tuned Chamber. This allows the performance of the dynamic driver to be optimized through the use of 3D printed, tuned acoustic chambers placed in front and behind of the driver. This is said to open the low and mid frequencies with effortless power. The Polaris sound signature presents a laid-back, V-shaped tuning, displaying a great combination between the dynamic driver and the balanced armature. This allows either drivers to dominate depending on their role in the respective sound reproduction. The Polaris's dynamic driver handles the low frequencies well and offers a great resolution, allowing a bass reproduction that is detailed, swift, and tightly coupled with a great sub-bass extension that is subwooferish. The mids are also pretty good, but not that great. Although there is no muddiness, there is a bit of less thickness, like in the heavy synth pads and cellos. But the vocals do sound good, and the mid-range is very dynamic. What I really like is the treble tuning on the Polaris. It's non-fatiguing but retains a very good level of engagement. It is not very aggressive sounding, but it is accurate and extended enough to deliver satisfying levels of headroom. At this price point, the soundstage is actually really nice. There is subtle depth, especially in the low and mid-high frequencies. I've been using this earphone for over 3 months now, and the build on this thing is outstanding. With the leather case included, it's very easy to carry around and listen to music, or even monitor audio when shooting videos. I have used this earphone every time while editing audio, because the details in the sound helps a lot. All in all, using this earphone takes you to a whole another dimension. And if you are an audiophile and have the money to spare, then this earphone is the perfect choice. Well, that was it for this video guys. Do leave a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon if you don't want to miss out on some more upcoming contents. And as always, thank you for watching. This is Saman signing off.